Guess which project just smashed its all-time high price level? Well, it's Story Crypto, and currently it's trending at number 4 on CoinMarketCap. To be honest, this is mind-blowing because Story isn't that famous, but it keeps doing great things. On the 14th of February, Story Coin got launched/listed on CoinMarketCap, and it exploded from $2 to $7.11. This happened real quick in 3 to 5 days interval, and immediately the normal crash started as early investors started to take profits. From $7, Story got to $2.70. With this, investors are curious to know what is next for the project after this huge spike. We'll focus more on this later. But first, let's talk about the price and why Story/IP project is mysteriously surging. About this coin rise, there's a lot about Grayscale launching a trust for IP, which happened in July and August 2025. Then there's Heritage Distilling's investment in August. But the recent price jump is on August 31st, 2025. Also, on August 19th, Story Protocol announced technical updates, including expanding validator capacity and Ethereum compatibility. That might have built some positive sentiment. Another point is the technical analysis. The MACD histogram is positive, RSI is high but not overbought yet, and the price is above key Fibonacci levels. Also, the Fear and Greed Index is neutral, and the Altcoin Season Index is rising, which might mean investors are moving into altcoins like IP. Wait, there's also a tweet on August 31st from CryptoTheology mocking the high FDV versus low fees, but the price still went up. Maybe the market is ignoring that for now. Also, the recent partnership with WorldCoin for verified human ownership could be a factor, but that was in July. Putting it all together, the main drivers seem to be the technical upgrades from Story Protocol, positive market sentiment towards altcoins, and the technical indicators showing bullish trends. The recent news about the Security Council and mainnet updates might have reassured investors. Plus, the overall crypto market is up slightly, which could be contributing. Now, let's dive deep into Story IP in details. Since the mainnet launch and token generation event, TGE, on February 13, 2025, Story's native token $IP and its ecosystem have achieved remarkable milestones. Although $IP initially fell from $2.50 to $1.50 immediately after the TGE, it rebounded dramatically by reaching approximately $6 on February 21st, a nearly fourfold increase within just 5 days. Notably, as of the writing date, February 25, 2025, while Bitcoin fell below $89,000 and the broader cryptocurrency market experienced a general downturn, $IP recorded a price of $4.90, marking an increase of over 23% compared to the previous day and capturing significant investor attention. The current crypto industry boasts an unprecedented number of applications, layers, and infrastructures compared to the past. Yet it is challenging to expect a scale of new liquidity inflow that satisfies all of these. In an environment where attention is money, having a unique narrative and clear positioning has become more critical than ever for a project to stand out among numerous competitors and capture investors' interest. Reflecting this trend, projects currently garnering market attention are actively carving out their distinct positioning. For instance, Barricane promotes a narrative of being a flywheel-optimized layer based on its unique tokenomics called POL, Proof of Liquidity, while Kaido is expanding its ecosystem by leveraging a service that boasts the crypto industry's best product-market fit, PMF, and advancing an InfoFi narrative. On the other hand, although $IP has recently shown an impressive upward trend, Story's narrative, emphasizing on-chain IP and onboarding 1% of the $61T IP market on-chain, proves somewhat challenging for investors to intuitively grasp compared to these other new chains and projects. Furthermore, attempts to bring large-scale real-world asset groups onto the blockchain, such as through RWA, real-world asset, or STO security token offering, have been made in the past, yet few have achieved significant success, which raises questions about the feasibility of Story's vision. Moreover, for on-chain IP to be truly effective, IP assets need to be accumulated on-chain to generate meaningful revenue. According to the recently released roadmap by the Story Foundation, core products for IP registration and monetization are scheduled for launch in Q2 and Q3 of this year, suggesting that it may take some time before tangible results are achieved.